Hey, this is the GoPro 360, you guys. Enjoy this video. It's gonna be a good one. It's Slappy dog.
Boy, y'all going to Florida and I'm very tempted. Dang!
I'm not a fan of white, but I do like that.
Oh yeah.
I like that matte. Is it matte white or that's pearl?
Pearl.
That's pearl.
What is Toyota, right? Toyota pearl.
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah, got the. Is that 21?
No. Oh, the front, yes. I think that is 21 on the front. It has to.
Yeah.
Is that sub? Are they waterproof or?
Yeah.
Give you guys an idea what we did for lunch. That's what we had lunch at. Ain't nobody recognize this bike. That's got one of the best stereos I've ever heard in it.
Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm back.